Yeah, if you just joined us, subscribe, like, and share. Okay, the breaking news is that S&P futures versus fair value is up 15.1%. The S&P futures traded 15 points or 0.4% above fair value following yesterday's comeback session. The Russell 2000 futures outperformed and traded 1.2% above fair value after the small cap index underperformed yesterday, the 23rd of February 2021. The market has been supported by technical factors slash reopening slash growth optimism, cyclical leadership, and expectations for the Fed to remain accommodative for a while. Today, the 24th, Fed Chairman Powell concluded his semi-annual monetary policy testimony before the House Financial Services Committee starting at 10 a.m. Eastern U.S. time. U.S. futures cautiously higher as traders digest Powell testimony. Amongst other things, there's this news that Foxconn's Apple supplier Foxconn teams up with Fiskars to make electric vehicles. Let's see whether we can get that. Okay. Electric car maker Fiskars said it will work with Apple supplier Foxconn to produce more than 250,000 vehicles a year from late 2023, jumpstarting its shares on Wednesday. Fiskars share price jumped 23.4% to $20.1 in the pre-market. Okay, let's see. Fiskars snapshot. Fiskars is FSR. Okay, we have that already. Yes, we're going to look at that. The deal codename Project Peer, Personal Electric Automotive Revolution, is looking at markets globally, including North America, Europe, China, and India. Fiskars said. Foxconn, Apple's main iPhone maker, has ramped up its interest in electric vehicles over the past year or so, announcing deals with Chinese electric car maker Byton and automaker Zhejiang Geely Holdings Group. Foxconn aims to produce components to services to 1 to 10% of the world's EVs by 2025 to 2027 and has been in talks with multiple car manufacturers for future cooperation, said Chairman Liu Yongwei said in October. The Taiwan-based company's approach poses a major threat to established automakers that technology companies such as Apple and other non-traditional players could use contract assemblers as a shortcut to competing in the vehicle market. The EV space has been booming, with Tesla Inc. still being the market leader. This week, a luxury electric car maker Lucid announced plans to go public, merging with bliaq company, even before regular production of its first model has begun. The recent run-up in valuations of several EV startups, including Nikola Corp and Lordstown Motor Corp, that have yet to produce sellable vehicles or meaningful revenue, has drawn comparison to the dot-com bubble of 1999 to 2000, with analysts and investors expecting a near-term correction. Fiskars said in December Canadian automaker Magna International would initially manufacture its vehicle, the Ocean SUV, in Europe. The production is expected to start in the fourth quarter of next year, 2022. Okay, so we're going to look at Fiskars later on. It's one of the stocks we've highlighted, we've picked out to cover much later on. So if you just join us, subscribe, like, and share. We're just looking at what's going on in the pre-market right now, and on CNBC there's a lot here as well. Says this payment stock will benefit most from economic reopening, money market managers say. And speaking of Cathy Wood, I understand she added some more Tesla stock with the decline of the last few days. It says here, Lucid deal may be a crack in the SPAC craze, a broader market warning. It says here, Cathy Wood bought a ton more Tesla amid Tuesday's sell-off. If you just join us, subscribe, like, and share. Okay, let's go ahead and have a look at what's going on with so what you're looking at right now is GME is down one, that's GameStop, down slightly 1.1%. Fisker Inc. is up 21%, yes. Okay, currently trading below all of its trend lines, including the volume weighted average price. So let's have a look at RTP. These are some of the stocks that may be on the move right now. Reinvent Technology is up 16%. Obviously, this is in the pre-market session. The market hasn't resumed yet. Still has an hour before the market resumes. Yolo Waste Solutions is not trading in the pre-market. OSK stock is up 6%. RMG acquisition is up 15.38%. We don't know why. FRSX. Foresight Automation is up 7.44%, but trading below all of its trend lines right now. So it was higher than that before. DMYI is up 15%. DMYI Technology Group Inc. But even though it's 15% roughly, it's trading at a huge discount to its trend line, short to long term trend lines, including the volume weighted average price as well. So let's refresh this and see if we can get some fresh news. WallStreetBets trades mixed follow market sentiment. TJ Maxx parent misses estimate as lockdown cut sales by $1 billion. Cooper's fourth quarter earnings snapshot. By the deeper activity. Okay, let's see if we can digest some news here. Let's see that. The WallStreetBets Reddit crowd appears to be following global market sentiment sideways, with some indexes, particularly the S&P 500 index, moving slightly into positive territory Tuesday following several days of losses, while GameStop and a vehicle maker Workhouse stock were down modestly in early trading. Other stocks were up pre-bell. BlackBerry edged slightly higher. pltr was 4%, and Cannabis TRA gained 5%, and Kronos was slightly higher. Tesla was up 5% in early trading, with analysts saying the company's frequent mentioning with WallStreetBets is propping up the stock. Okay, so we have some other some stocks we're going to look at. We already have GameStop there, so we're going to add BlackBerry there as well. BlackBerry Workhouse. Pltr, pltr. Tilray. Okay, so let's have a look at BlackBerry. BlackBerry is up 1.54% in this pre-market session. Okay, Workhouse is down 8.9%. Okay, Palantir is up 3.18%. Trading in between its short-term and long-term trend lines. Tilray is up 6.25%. Kronos Group is up 2.79%. Okay, GameStop is still down 0.38%. Okay, let's look at Tesla. It's up 3.47%. Okay, this guy's still moving up in the pre-markets, up 23.57% now. Foxconn doesn't trade on the US. By the dip activity, S&P futures versus fair value is up 10.10%. S&P futures traded 10 points or 0.3% above fair value. One factor supporting the market is a buy the dip mentality. For example, Cathie Wood's ARK Investment, one of the most successful asset management companies over the past year, acquired more than $120 million worth of Tesla stock during yesterday's sell-off, according to CNBC. Tesla shares were down more than 13% at one point yesterday, the 23rd of February 2021. In addition, Square said it invested another $170 million in Bitcoin with an average price of around 51,235, according to CNBC. Bitcoin recently peaked above $58,000 and dipped to $45,000 on Coinbase yesterday. Separately, the FDA just released briefing documents on Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson's COVID vaccine. Dr. Scott Gottlieb said the data is very strong and provides robust efficacy across all demographics and variants. So yes, Cathie Woods just bought more. Her investment arm, ARK Investment. They obviously can see what we're seeing right now. They invested $120 million in Tesla yesterday. So that's got Sunworks. It might be on the move at the moment as well. Okay, up 6.73%, up 4.8% for its fuel cell energy. For power is up as well, 5.0%. Doesn't trade in the pre-market really, but it seems it's yes, probably trading because it's closed at 2.54, but it's indicating 2.5 here, so it's definitely trading for sure. This is American Battery Metals. Global Battery Metals in the pre-session, yeah, it dropped, yes. Healthier choices, still where it is. Didn't move at all, hasn't moved at all. Okay, very much unchanged as well. Okay, Churchill Capital, that is Lucid, up 5% right now. Okay, subscribe, like, and share. We're covering the pre-market session of the 21st of 24th of February 2021. We have some news here. Wall Street bets trades mixed, follow market sentiment. And we have also that Cathy Woods loaded up on a few more Tesla shares, $120 million worth more. And also Square also acquired $170 million worth of Bitcoin as well. Okay, so we have that FSR. FSR is going to work with Foxconn. Foxconn is the major iPhone contractor, major iPhone OEM supplier to Apple. They are planning to partner in building an EV, electric vehicle. So it's up. Yeah, at some point it was up 23%, but right now it's up 17.25%. Okay, BlackBerry is up 0.48 in the pre-market session. Okay, Workhouse is down 9.81%. Planetary is up 1.08%. Tilray is up 2.9%. Kronos Group is up 1.89%. GameStop is down 0.49%. Okay, if you just joined us, subscribe, like, and share. We're just looking at the pre-market sessions and a few stocks in the move. Right here we have GameStop struggling to eke out some gain. AMC is down 6.23%. Just monitoring this live session. Okay, it's okay now. I want to make sure it doesn't go off. If you just joined us, says here Cathy Woods, ARK Investment, one of the most successful asset management companies over the past year, acquired more than $120 million worth of Tesla stock during yesterday's sell-off. That's yesterday, the 23rd of February. According to CNBC, Tesla's shares were down more than 13% at one point. In addition, Square acquired, or rather invested $170 million in Bitcoin as well.